In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make questions required. If you've ever had people skip important fields on a Google form, this quick fix will save you time and make your data cleaner. We're focusing on the simplest method, marking a single question as required so respondents must answer it before they can submit the form. Start by opening your Google form in Edit View. You should see your list of questions as individual cards on the page. Make sure you're in the editor, not the preview, so you can change settings on the questions themselves. If you're collaborating with others, confirm you have editing access. Otherwise, the options we're about to use won't appear. Next, click the question you want to make mandatory. When you click it, the question card becomes active. You'll notice a subtle highlight or border around it, and a few controls appear for that question. This step is important because the required setting applies to the currently selected question, not the entire form. Now look to the bottom right corner of that question card. This is where Google Forms places the quick options for each question. You'll see a small switch labeled Required. When it's turned off, the switch looks gray. When it's on, it turns a distinctive color. If you don't immediately see the label, make sure the question is expanded and selected. Sometimes the control can be easy to miss if you've clicked away. Toggle Required to On. As soon as you do, you'll notice an asterisk appear next to the question title, indicating to your respondents that this question must be answered. From this point on, anyone filling out the form won't be able to submit without providing a response to that specific question. This works the same for multiple choice checkboxes, drop-downs, short answer, or paragraph questions. For grid-style questions, turning on Required ensures the respondent interacts with that grid, though the exact behavior can vary by question type. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use Required sparingly on only the questions that are truly essential. Too many required items can frustrate respondents and lower completion rates. If a question is optional for some audiences, consider clarifying that in the question text rather than forcing a response. And if the toggle appears disabled or missing, double check that you've clicked directly on the intended question card. That's it. Open your form, click the question, look to the bottom right, and toggle Required on. It's a small change that makes a big difference in the quality and completeness of your responses.